Alright? So, dear master teachers, kung napanood niyo po yung ating naunang video, tapos na po nating ipakita yung ating sample MOVs that falls in objective number 2. This time, let us now have objective number 4. Buksan po natin. So, you can have this. Kung gusto niyo po, you can pause this video. So, gaya po na nabanggit ko, sa ngayong PMES 2024 to 2025, hindi na po kailangan ng portfolio. Pwede po na just page, cover page, and then ipakita natin kung ano yung objective and kung ano ang hinahanap na MOV. So dito po, simpleng-simple lang, objective number 4, and ang hinihingi is at least 1 MOV. So objective number 4, may pwede tayo dito ipakita na MOVs, bale, 4. But then ang pinili ko po dito, ipakita kahit isa lang naman ang hihingi, but then for your reference is ito po, minutes, proof of attendance, at saka ang performance monitoring coaching form. So dapat dito makapakita natin that as master teacher, we evaluated with colleagues the effectiveness of teaching strategies that promote learner achievement in literacy and numeracy. So yan po yung focus. So una po is yung ating coaching session sa ating mga mentees. Palakihin po natin. Ayan. So here are the minutes. Andyan po yung agenda. Then here po yung discussion. So dito po, hinighlight ko yung part kung saan we have evaluated the certain given objective, kung ano hinihingi with our mentees. Yan po, pakibasa na lang po yan. So, we analyzed student responses and engagement levels to determine the effectiveness of the lesson. It was observed that the students were actively participating, some struggled, and so on. So, dapat po, again, makikita dyan na you evaluated with your mentees yung mga teaching strategies that promotes learning or learner achievement in literacy and numeracy. Yan. So, ano ba yung mga teaching strategies? Yung mga think pair, collaborative learning. Ayan. So, ito naman po, evaluation of teaching strategies used. As the mentor, I provided constructive feedback. Ayan po. Ayan siya. So, dear master teachers, ito po kadalasan nangyayari to during classroom observation. So, yung kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng classroom observation, pwede naman po na yun na yung ating basis. Gawa natin ng reflection or ng minutes, gaya po nito. And then, ito yung mga suggested action plan. And pagtapos po, since tayo yung nag-observe, tayo pa yung gumawa nitong mentoring session prepared by natin, and then papirmahan natin sa ating mga mentees. Then, noted by our principal. So, ito po ay isang malakas na MOV that will prove that we evaluated with our colleagues the effectiveness of teaching strategies. So, yan po yung minutes or notes of coaching. Pasok na din po siya sa proof of attendance kasi pirmado naman po ng ating mentees. Then, after that, another MOV para at least may pagpipilian kayo is yung ating performance monitoring and coaching form. So, once kasi tayo nagkaroon ng coaching session or classroom observation with our mentees, ako po, ginagawan ko siya automatic ng performance monitoring and coaching form. So, kapag natapos na yung classroom observation, nilalagyan ko siya nito ng PMCF. Ayan. So, focus siya sa demonstration and then yung sa literacy and numeracy. So, ayan po siya. So, you can pause this po kung gusto niyo po na gawing basics, pwede po. And then, another pa na content. And then, to make it sure, nilagyan ko siya ng annotation to explain what are the contents of this performance monitoring and coaching form. So, ayan po siya. Then, I highlighted it. Niride ko din siya para po kayo din po na mga nanonood, makita nyo din siya. So, again, you can have this if you want. So, just pause this video. Then, makukuha nyo po yung content. Again po this is just a sample. I know that you have your own